The problem is that tree sap and bird crap is gonna just, those spots will come out, but you got to rub it. I don't have the strength. I took it to the car wash and did the best I could to get it out, but my shoulder problem, neck problem, I don't have the strength to get that out. It'll kill my neck. So the cheapest, easiest thing for me to do is $19.99 car wash. You can go unlimited times every day, 2 or 3 days. If I run that car through the car wash in about 30 times, it'll be off. It'll be clean. So that's all I know what to do. I got a big piece of it. I got a lot of it off, but there's still a lot left there to clean. These pine trees are not good trees to be parking under. I just tried washing my car. Look at the spots on it. That's from the pine trees. I might be able to get that out. I got a lot of it out, but what I need to do is do the $20 car wash every day, and it'll eventually come out, because I don't have the arm power, the strength in my arms to buff that out. Look at the spots. Pine trees bad on your car, you know?
Yeah.
And she feeds the birds, and the bird crap is...
Yeah.
Anyway.
I got a couple spots on mine I gotta clean off.
That will really mess up the paint.
Yeah.
I was going to show my brothers this. What I'm doing.
You have a good one.
Okay, you too. Gosh. Not good. Not good.